If your frame is not properly protected, it may get scratched or dented during shipping. To avoid any possible damage to your frame, cover it completely with padding.
Our favorite padding material is foam tubing. Your bike shop might have some tubing from past shipments, but pipe insulation also works great, and you can find it at almost any hardware store. You can also make packing sleeves using cardboard boxes.
Whatever you're using, cut each piece of packing material to length and wrap it around your tubes. Secure in place with zip ties or tape. Cover all parts of your frame so that no other bike parts, like your handlebars or wheels, come in direct contact with it.
If you're shipping wheels along with your frame, make sure the cassette faces away from your frame and that the axle ends of your wheels don't overlap with your frame's tubes. For added protection, always place a cardboard divider between your bike's frame and wheels.
Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.